PPG. PPG Adhesives Partnership for Lightweight Vehicles. It's been selected for a U.S. Department of Energy partnership. So the company has got a government contract that will use supercomputing resources to accelerate the development and testing of structural adhesives for vehicles built from lightweight materials. So you know something, lightweight materials on vehicles, it travels faster, number one. Number two, you would think that we get better gas mileage. Excuse me. So a lot of cars out there. You remember the days when cars were made out of steel? Were made out of metal? Right now, most cars are not made out of that. But PPG Adhesives is in line to help with those keeping the bonding of the lighter body cars out there. The project was authorized by Department of Energy Vehicle Technologies Office with funding provided by the High Performance Computing for Energy Innovation Program. Sounds like a lot of letters. All right, sounds like a lot of letters. All right, but that's a stock to keep your eye on. And actually, as of today, it's up over 2%. All right, so PPG is something to keep your eyes on. Next stock with the RT below 1, PPG. Now, as the stock RT is below 1, but look at that rise. Ground floor again. The stock found a level of support, bounced up off of that level of support, now above the 20-day exponential moving average and starting to move higher. Let's see if the momentum behind getting that contract for adhesive for lightweight cars gives you an opportunity to get in on the ground floor with that one as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.